prepare, just drink it all.
How many did you get?
About 25.
Yeah, sorry.
It's Big Brothers. Put Imogen herself to bed.
Down it all in, down it all.
Down, Imogen. Don't do that.
Imogen, your 1 minute of fame time starts now.
One. Come on, Rose.
Go on, babe. Close your mouth and swallow.
Mikey, what about like to me?
One.
I was going to help her over the other side.
These are nice.
Oh,
Babe, swallow the air like you said.